Welcome guys, today we're going to be making my uncle's favorite food, laddu. The ingredients that you will need are 2.5 cups of rava, some butter, roasted nuts and raisins, 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder, 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of condensed milk, some water, vanilla extract, and a mold to make the laddu shape. So this is our rava. We previously toasted it with some butter, and we're also going to butter our pan. So first we're going to add our sugar into our rava and mix it together. Like so. Now you're going to add your rava and sugar mixture into your buttered pan. And mix it. Like so. Now you're going to add more butter. And then you're going to add your raisins and nuts. Now you're going to add your cardamom powder and stir. So now we've added our water and condensed milk mixed together. And we're going to slowly add it in because we don't want it to harden right away. Like so. And stir. Make sure not to add it too quick. After your mixture comes slowly clumping like this, you're going to want to add your vanilla extract and stir. Now you're going to take your mixture off the heat and make them into circles. But we're going to use this mold to make it. Make sure to press it nice and tightly so it stays together and doesn't fall apart. And then now you're just going to tap it on here and you have a nice circle. You're going to keep doing that. Don't forget to push tight so it stays together. So this is our finished laddu. Let's try one. This is delicious. I love them. Don't forget to subscribe.